Hi, welcome to this video. I will show you how to overcome the limitation of not having to grant administrative access to a Mac for print purposes, right? And let's illustrate the problem right here. I have a machine, Mac 1010 machine, right? Regular user, if it wants to resume a printer, right, you're going to be challenged, right? So at this point, you probably have to grant the user some rights. What have I done with Centrify? Right, we've used the map zone groups to local group GPO. I've created a Mac print admins group and I've had it added Bart Simpson into it. All I needed to do was to map the LP underscore LP admin and underscore LP operator to this particular group in AD. This means that any user that belongs to the group in AD will effectively be able to manage any print queues. So I'm actually doing this as Lisa Simpson, as you can see over here on the screen, right? So Lisa is not part of that group. Only Bart is part of that group, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to resume, and in this case, I'm going to authenticate as Bart. Because Bart, as you can see over here, is a member of that group, Bart will be able to, unpause that printer without a problem, right? And his experience is going to be very limited, right? He's not a Mac admin. Let's go ahead and verify that, right? So I'm gonna basically log in as Bart. So I'm gonna fast switch here. In the case of Bart, he's not going to be challenged, right? So when he does any print operations, maybe pause a queue or restart a queue, he's not going to be challenged at all. So his experience is going to be that he doesn't have to type in his password, right? So we're going to go back here and notice that, if I reload the printing and open the queue, right, I can resume, no problem, right? And the way we implement the GPO is that once you have the GPO, all you need to do is run the AD GPO update command, right? And after you do that, if you want to verify, you can do an AD GP result, and you're gonna grep for underscore LP, and you can see that. And that's how you solve that problem with a simple GPO. You don't have to grant users local administrative access. So even if this user wanted to, for example, add a user or something like this, he's not allowed because he doesn't have the rights. So we're following the least access principle. All right. I hope this helped.